Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. Today's video is going to be on Bitcoin, ETH, and DOT. In my last video, I went over the bullish and the bearish scenario for Bitcoin. I'm not going to repeat it today. You can go back and watch my previous video to get the bullish and the bearish scenario. Today we're just going to go over the current correction we're in, give a little update for last video. So starting out, I see here an A, a B, and a C, which is called an expanded flat. The C came a little deep, but that happens a lot in these leveraged markets. I see an A here, a B, and a C. Now this is where we currently are. We haven't come down to the shallowest retracement that we can come to. And the way that I can explain this is, say this is a A, this is a B. Our C wave needs to come down to at least the 618. Whether this is a W, an X, and a Y, it doesn't matter, A, B, C. The minimum truncation needs to be 618. So with that being said, this is where we currently are. So what possibly could happen here is we create a flat for our connector. And then this leg needs a partner to the 618. Or this whole correction needs a partner. And we come down lower to the 1-to-1 or these corrective fib levels. I would like to see us protect this low. I would like to see us continue to make lower highs. This low, this low, this low, and on and on. Now, if we come down lower and we break this low, it's not completely the end of the world. The only thing that we really 100% need to protect is this wave 1. Because we are assuming that this is wave 1, wave 2, we're in wave 3, 4, and 5 on up there. So whatever correction we get here, we have to protect this wave 1. If we come into it, I will assume that the bear scenario happened and it's happening, basically. Moving on to one more thing I wanted to go over. On the daily time frame, and I said this in my last video, I would like to see us keep this trend line. And so far, we are doing that. But even if we come down and break it and we hit the 30, We'll drag the band with us. It'll straighten out. We'll make the pattern, and that will be a buying opportunity. If you do not know what this indicator is, this is the only indicator I use now. Has everything I need. I have a link in the description below to get my free strategy. I also made a video called Best Indicator for All Markets. It was just my previous video. You could watch that and then get the free strategy video. This is an excellent indicator. I can't talk enough about it. I have doubled my account in 30 days with this indicator. This is just the most amazing indicator ever. So on to ETH. ETH, I see the same exact thing. I see an A, a B, and we need to come down for a C wave. Now this B wave could take out the high here and give us an running flat if it continues to go up. But also I wanted to emphasize on ETH, same for Bitcoin, is this could be the first leg of a correction, meaning this whole ABC could become a W. Then we make a 3-wave move up for an X. And then depending on what we get here, whether it's a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move, we'll just use 3-wave move to give us a Y. But either way, when we come down for this next move, I will be looking to trade that, because either way, the next move is up. Whether this correction is over and we're heading up for a 5th, or we're heading up for an X wave or a B wave, the next direction is up. I hope you understand that. Okay, moving on to DOT. DOT, once it broke this high here, it went on its way. And there's really nothing stopping it. All we have is this huge dump. So really there's no resistance. So DOT's a little difficult because if this is wave 1 and wave 2 is in here or here, that's an awfully long wave 2. But to give DOT the benefit of the doubt, this could be wave 1 to here. This is 3. I'd like to see 4. Hold these fib levels and go on up for 5. This would all turn into basically a wave 1. We'd come down for a correction, wave 2, and then go on for our wave 3 if we're going to continue the parabolic move. There is a bearish scenario, but it's just about invalidated. The bearish scenario would be that we created an A, a B, and this is all a C wave. Pretty much the same as Bitcoin and ETH. But if we correct down here and we break this high, this bearish scenario in my book is out the window. Really, the last hope for this bearish scenario is here. So going down to a lower time frame, I would like to see this 4th wave hold this trend line. That would be really nice and bullish. But it can come down into these levels. These blue levels here, the 0.236, the 0.382, and the 0.5. And be just fine and take off again. Looking at the indicator, on the 4-hour, we do have bearish divergence. As you can see, we made a higher high there. And this is pretty much straight across or just a little bit of a down curve. And this is on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the 8-hour and see if we have it. Yes. So on the 8-hour, we have it also. Daily. And the daily, we have it. So I would say pay attention for this correction here. Doesn't mean we have to dump down to $5. Just means that we have bearish divergence and we should see a fourth wave here. I hope that this video helped you. Let me know in the comments if it was easy to understand. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel so much, and I appreciate every one of you.